Hello friends, students and subscribers of sayitcorrectly.org. Today we are going to change the style of the class a little bit and we're going to see sentences with to take. Okay, we're going to analyze some imperative sentences with take, and those would be complete sentences. So take sometimes takes. Nouns. For example, you take a nap. This is the noun. You take a picture. You take a shower. You take a trip. In other languages, you don't take a trip, you make a trip. You take a break. This is the most important one. Everybody likes to take a break every once in a while. Now, to take a shot at, that means you take a chance. You take a look at. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at my new car, for example. Yes? So sometimes we use imperatives, as I said, with take, and sometimes we include the person giving the order or the command with the word let's, as we saw in the previous video. So sometimes we use take, like when we jump in a cab, in a taxi cab, and you tell them, look, take me to this address, or take me home, when you ask a friend to take you home. But sometimes to take also uses adverbs. The most common phrase or sentence in English is take it easy. That means calm down. The opposite of taking it easy is to take it hard. But we usually accompany this sentence with the word so. Don't take it so hard. It is the subject. Don't take it so hard. Sometimes we use take care. When I see someone and at the end of the conversation I say hello and we say goodbye, take care. We also say that. Now, sometimes the verb take takes a preposition. Like for example, take off. But you cannot translate it in a separate way. You cannot translate word by word. To take off means to take off. When the plane takes off the ground, and when the plane lands, it would be the opposite, to take off. To take over, when you take control of something, of a situation. To take in would be to absorb, to take inward. To take on would be to assume responsibilities when you take on a new job. Usually we take out food when you go to a cafeteria. One coffee, please. To go or to take out? To take down. For example, when you take down the flag from the mast. To take away is a very famous song. Take away my breath. Take my breath away, rather. Okay? So this is it with take. Sometimes we use it with the let's take off now. When we are flying the plane and you take off, let's take off. See, you can use it with the imperatives. Okay, this is the lesson for today. If you like it, give us a like on the video. Please follow us in Instagram and at the channel. Have a nice evening.